Still staring at an empty more plugins list? So in this year, if you aren't expanding your Sonic palettes with external VSTs, you're missing out on half the fun. And today, I'm showing you the fastest way to install and scan your new plugins in FL Studio. From installers to the final star, we're getting your new gear live in under 2 minutes. And just go ahead and run your plugins installer. You should stick to the default path. That's going to be C drive, program files, common files, and then VST3. Then you go to options and then file settings, like said in the official tutorial. And if it's a legacy VST2 or a newer clap plugin without an installer, you just manually move that file into your dedicated VST folder. So you just tap on Manage Plugins, and then hit the Find Installed Plugins button. There you go, this button right here on the top. Alright, and look for the entries highlighted in orange. Those are your fresh installs. Click the star icon next to your favorites. This is the only way to make them show up instantly in your channel rec or mixer slots without hunting through the More menu every time. And your library is officially locked and loaded. Hopefully this setup guide helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.